Hi everybody, and welcome to Monday, September 13th. Woo! So for today, we slightly changed our essential question. Today we are looking at why and how do writers critique and evaluate writing. For today, ladies and gentlemen, today was an odds bell schedule. Today we are doing some TPAC peer review and some TPAC, some final drafts. Woo! Today we started off with our 30-day writing challenge, day 10, our TPAC peer review, and our TPAC final drafts. Okay. So getting into our do nows, I wanted you guys to reflect on last week. I know last week was short. Try to stay positive. Is there something you did that you're glad about? What is something you'd like to improve on this week? Did something make you happy or excited last week? Okay, you guys had that. I know our timing was off, so some of the words are a little bit changed, but I wanted you guys to just reflect on your week. It's good to reflect, ladies and gentlemen. Moving on, we're, again, TPAC structure. I'm going to keep this up until we're done with TPAC, folks. I want you to get that structure. Okay, TPAC peer review. Remember, your rough draft was due to me on Sunday. You guys had it all done. For my period 3-4, we took today to do our actual TPAC rough draft because some of you had not done it for homework, even though it was required. Tomorrow, we are getting into it, ladies and gentlemen, because you have to have it done. TPAC review. We will be doing this Monday. We did this in my honors class. We will be doing this tomorrow with my 3-4s. But let's talk about it just a little bit so you guys have that video up, okay? Today, you are going to answer each of the following questions in the TPAC peer review form. I gave you this physical form in person. It is also located in Google Classroom, and I will show it to you in a moment. Make sure to justify your score. You guys went through it, you wrote a score, you justified it, and you left a rating and your favorite element of the paragraph at the bottom. So let's go ahead and look at it. You're going to scroll down to peer review form, which is under TPAC writing practice. You're going to click it, open it. Boom. Oh. The formatting's a little bit off. The heading's right here. Oh, I don't know why the heading's right down here in the middle. That's a little strange. Mr. Nellis will make sure to fix that. But you're going to go through each element. Their topic sentence, their evidence, their paraphrase, analysis, conclusion, and overall. You're going to go through that whole rough draft process with a partner in class. In the comments right here, does the student have a topic sentence that uses the sentence starters and states their position? Do they? If it's yes, the student has their sentence starters and they were able to grab my attention. Do they grab your attention? Do they have too many details? Maybe the student did not have their stance, whether they believed we should go online, or maybe they don't have their stance on why we should stay in person. Put that in the comments. Because of that, remember, I'm on a 5 to 1 grading scale. So if they didn't do that, give them a 5. If they didn't do that, give them anything but a 5. Maybe that's a 3. It's average. Maybe it's below average because they didn't take a stance. But maybe they did take a stance and they did all these amazing things and they even caught your attention. If it's a 5, give it an excellent. Right here where it says score justification, this is where you need to write why. How do you justify the score that was given to you, okay? You're going to do that for all elements of TPAC. You can flip through their packet to see what is their topic sentence, to see their conclusion, etc. Overall, what are your final thoughts on the writer's paragraph? What do they do well and what do they not do well? That's what you need to go through. Leave your final comments here, okay? So this is just what we are doing in class. Today, Monday, or tomorrow, Tuesday. This is what we will be doing, and I will give further direction in class as well. All right, you guys. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I know it said final draft, but nobody quite got to the final draft today on Monday, so we will be breaking into that one tomorrow, Tuesday, September 14th. All right, guys. Please feel free to reach out, leave me an email. As always, I am here for you guys, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.